Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be playing with the newest eyeshadow palette from Tresluce Beauty, which was created by Becky G. So her palette, her holiday palette, is called Midnight Deseos. And yeah, I'm going to be playing with this palette today. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Hola amigas, besties. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be playing with Tresluce Beauty newest eyeshadow palette. This is their holiday palette, Midnight Deseos, which is this baby right here. And this eyeshadow palette retails for, I believe, $32. This is an exclusive to her website, I believe, because Ulta carries Tresluce, but not all products, and this is one of them. So yeah, this time the packaging is like a, I want to say like a eggplant purple, and then it has like the beautiful design that's on the palette. So yeah, and back here it tells you like the description of the eyeshadows. So this is the carton, and this is the eyeshadow palette right here. As you can see, very beautiful artwork. And then back here it tells you a little bit about the eyeshadows. So you open her up, and it definitely has a mirror. And what I like about Tresluce's eyeshadow palette is that the mirror is detachable, so you don't have to be carrying your or holding, I should say, your eyeshadow palette. You can just, you know, use the mirror and just dip into your eyeshadow. Sometimes you need it up close, and you know, how close can you get the whole eyeshadow palette? So I think it's pretty cool. But this is the color story right here. Very pretty and befitting for fall or the holiday. And I'm not sure what I'm going to be creating, but we'll see. So yeah, this is what we're working with. So alrighty, so before we jump into the eye look, so far I did my eyebrows with nothing new. I used the ABH Brow Wiz and her dual powder in both the shade Ebony, and then I carved the bottom of my eyebrows and primed the lids with MAC Paint Pot in soft ochre, and this time I did not set it, so I'm going to be using one of the shades in the palette to set the eyelid. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So I'm going to grab my big jumbo shader brush. This is from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to get the color Ethereal, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to apply it all over the lid. And now the color in the pan looks like a lavender shade, but I'm pretty sure on the eye you can tell. So as you can see. So I'm basically applying that ethereal shade all over the lid and all the way up into the eyebrow. Like so. Alright, so now I'm going to get a blending brush, and let's see, what color do I want to go into? Okay, so I kind of want to use the shade Esperanza, which is this mustard yellow right here, and I'm going to use that mustard yellow called Esperanza on the crease. So here, so I'm kind of taking it halfway. I kind of want to go into a different color. Okay, now I'm going to grab another blending brush. I'm going to be using the Morphe x Lucky Charms LC2. And I'm going to go into the color Paz, which is this like pink color right here. And I'm going to apply that color in the inner part of the crease. So and then I'm going to combine it with that mustardy yellow color called Esperanza. So in this area right here. So it should look something like this. Now I think I want to go into the shade, let's see, Abundance, which is this like purpley color right here. And I'm going to use that shade in the inner part. No, not the inner part, the outer part of the lid. So this part right here. Oh, that is such a beautiful shade. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to be keeping that color just on the lid. Such a beautiful shade. Now I'm going to go into the crease color, which was that mustard shade called Esperanza. And I'm just gonna blend those two colors like so. Okay. Now I'm gonna grab the color Paz, which was that pink shade, because I don't want to lose it, and just go over everything one more time. Now I'm gonna go in with one of the shimmers. And I think I'm gonna go into so all these shimmers look so pretty, like Twinkle. Let's see how Twinkle looks. They're actual glitters. Oh my gosh, wow. So this is Twinkle, A New Day, and Starry Night. Oh my gosh, which one to go with? I love Starry Night. Should I use that color? No, I want to use Twinkle. Alright, so let me take this off. Yeah, they're glitters, alright. Okay, so I'm going to be using the McGrath Labs Intensify Eyes wand, and I'm going to apply it to the empty part of the lid, which is right here. Okay, and now I'm gonna go into the color Twinkle, which was this glitter right here, pressed glitter, and I'm going to apply it all over this. Oh, wow, that is so intense. My goodness. But look how foiled it looks. Sheesh. So, do you see how pretty that looks? Oh my gosh. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with the eggplant color, which is called Abundance. And I'm going to take that color here and blend it into that, like that rose gold glitter. Like so. And then I'm going to grab the blending brush and just blend everything out here. And then I'm going to grab the color Paz and use it in this part right here, like so. I almost feel like covering that yellow. I thought the yellow was gonna be a little bit more lighter, but it's not. So I'm just gonna go over everything with that pink shade. Okay, so I just ran that pink color all over just because I really thought that mustardy shade was gonna be more bright, but it's not. So I'm just going to cover that up like so. So I'm going to do this eye and then I'll jump back on camera so you can see what both eyes look like. And yeah, stay tuned. Alrighty, so this is what the eyes look like. Now I'm gonna jump off camera again, and then I'm gonna do a liner, lashes, finish the face, and then I'll finally jump back on camera and show you the final results. So hang tight. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I actually didn't do a liner this time. And I didn't do that purposely. I actually forgot until I was applying my lashes. And I'm like, oh my God, I forgot eyeliner. But I feel with these Ayani lashes that I can get away without using a liner, in my opinion. You guys have to tell me. But yeah, it looks like I did a liner when I didn't. I mean, it looks nice. But anyways, to the palette, I really love the quality of Tresluce Beauty. I feel like it's very underrated. Their formulas are really nice. They're very beginner friendly, and you can most definitely build your shades to intensify the color. They're very blendable. They're creamy. There's just so many good things I can say about this. It's beautiful. It really is. I really enjoy the formula. Now, this is a lot more matte heavy. So if you like mattes, you're probably gonna enjoy this palette. But if you don't like pressed glitters, you might not. There's 4 pressed glitters in this eyeshadow palette, and I do really enjoy. For me, I don't mind the pressed glitters, and they're really pretty. They're appropriate for the holiday season, so I can see why she added those 4. But if you're not a fan of pressed glitters, then you might want to stay away. Even though there is it's only 4 and the rest are mattes. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's an affordable palette, and just to know, this is only exclusive to the Tresluce Beauty website. So if you were thinking it was gonna come to Ulta, it is not. I thought so too, but Becky G mentioned it in one of her Instagram lives that it's only exclusive to her website. So unless she changes her mind, for the time being, it's just on her website. But yeah, I really have nothing bad to say about this beauty. Like I said, they blend easily, they're creamy, they're beginner friendly, you know, you can build the intensity. They're just fantastic. And I feel like we don't talk much about Tresluce Beauty, but the formula is really good. I can most definitely see myself using this palette for the holidays. And yeah, more eye looks to come. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. As you can see, I didn't know initially what I was going for. I thought that like the mustardy color was going to be a little bit more vibrant, but not to say it's a beautiful shade, but how I would have done it is, since I used the burgundy on the outside of the eyelid, I should have used the pink here and then the orange in the middle, because you know, I didn't like how it was, you know, the purple color here and then the pink on the outside. But I mean, it's a new look, I guess. Nonetheless, I really love the look. I love the pressed glitters. Like, look at that. So pretty. So pretty. But yeah. It didn't turn out how I envisioned it, but I still love the look nonetheless. It came through. So, yes. I really hope you enjoyed the eye look. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!